How to fix video lag on Facebook app. To fix video lag on Facebook app, you could try these steps. First of all, you could always go ahead and check for an internet connection. So go to settings and see whether you have any issue with the internet or not. If it happens to be Wi-Fi, then restart your router. That could be able to fix the issue as well. Apart from it, you could also go ahead and adjust the video quality settings. So open up the Facebook application, log into your account, go to the profile from the top right, click the gear icon from the top right, scroll down a bit and go to medias. When you go to medias, over here you could see video quality. Here by default you must have data saver on. So what you could do is you could actually go to optimize and make sure to toggle the button for it. After doing it, so refresh the application and close it up. That could be able to fix it as well. If that doesn't seem, you could also go ahead and try updating your app. For that, head over to your respective app store. On the search box, type in Facebook and see whether the issue fixes or not. If the update doesn't seem to be working out, you could also try cleaning your cache as well as data. Long press the Facebook application, click the I button, go to storage and cache, make sure to clear cache, and that should be able to fix it as well. After doing all, despite doing all of these, if you're still unable to fix it, then you could go ahead and contact the support team. They will be able to look into your matter. So to contact Facebook support, you could either go ahead and open up the Facebook, or you could go to the browser itself. Here you want to click on the gear icon and then click on the gear icon one more time, and here you want to go ahead and click on the help and support. You could go to help center and here type in or send a feedback. They will look into your matter. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.